Hey all, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this helpful Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to resize an image in Word without stretching or distorting it. This is perfect for maintaining image quality while designing documents, resumes, posters, certificates, reports and presentations. If your pictures become blurry, squished or stretched after resizing, this video will solve the problem quickly. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document and insert the image. Now I am go to the insert menu, click the picture option, then select image from my file, click insert. Now I want to resize the image without stretching. Go to the format menu first, click the wrap text option and choose in front of text because the picture you can move anywhere easily. Now I am resize the picture without stretching. Go to the format menu again and we can see here the height and weight. Now I am change the height and weight here manually like 2 and it's by 2. Then we can see this image is not quality less image, but you can resize the image. This image is distort or distract. This image size is very bad, but you can change the size here like 3. We can see this very easy. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.